How to create e-signature in Adobe Acrobat tutorial. So let's get started. First of all, open any PDF file so you can create the handwritten signature. It does not have to be the specific PDF file that you are going to apply your digital signature to. This is just so you can create the custom signature graphic file you will need a little later. Then, this is the icon that looks like an old school quill pen in the top horizontal toolbar. When you move your mouse over it, it should say sign document by typing or drawing a signature. A drop down menu will appear as shown here. Select add signature. You also have the option of using initials instead, which will follow the same steps. Now, select the middle option draw at the top of the window and use your mouse to create your handwritten signature. Once done, hit apply and click anywhere in the document's white space to paste it so you can get a screenshot in the next step. It will look like this. When you paste it in the document, be sure to not paste it anywhere where the signature will overlap with other text. Now, press the print screen key or use the snippet tool to get a screenshot of a handwritten signature. Paste the screenshot into your image editing software and crop closely around the signature. Save the image file and exit the image software editing program. Since Adobe Acrobat won't allow you to use a PNG, JPG or similar image files, you will need to convert it to a .pdf file instead. Now once finished, return to the Adobe Acrobat window and start setting up your custom digital signature. Navigate to Edit, then tap on Preferences. This will open a new pop-up window. Then open the Creation and Appearances Preferences screen. To do this, select the Signatures option in the left-hand navigation. Hit the More button in the main window under Creation and Appearance. This will open the window in another pop-up screen. Now this will open the Configure Signature Appearance Properties screen. You can leave the default setting as is unless you have a reason to change them. Under Appearance, select New. And here you can select Import Graphic and File under Configure Graphic to browse and select your handwritten signature image from your file path. Once you have selected the image PDF file and see it displaying properly in the sample preview window, hit OK. That's it. Now you can use your custom digital signature the next time you want to digitally sign a PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.